Hi fans, I'm in Bled and I'm having a dinner out and I will take you to a restaurant, Union.
Prej je bilo easy busy, to zdaj pa že rad na kilometrine. Imam pa takole.
So Lalo is really trying hard, has a lot of guests. The place is packed. So my cheese is coming. Thank you, Lalo.
Enjoy your stuff.
Thank you. And look how beautiful they decorate their plate. Ah. This is probably very, very yummy. Guys, come closer. I would like to say that this is a family restaurant. This is Tomo, Lalo, and Mark. Mark will go in a couple of years. They were always glad to see you, and they will always take time for you and prepare the food that you want. Thank you guys, thank you so much for this beautiful food you gave it to me.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I will try this RAMSTEK now. You have seen it how it was on the grill, and I really think that it will be delicious. Medium rare. I like a little bit blood. If you don't like it, they will do it well done. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. This RAMSTEK is perfect for me, because I don't like RAMSTEK to be well done. So, oh my god. So guys, if you want to have this meal with me, visit Bled and enjoy restaurant Union. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, I had a little bit potato too. Mark brought me a little potato. So I will probably get a pound or two, but it doesn't matter. You must enjoy as a tourist. And they are treating me like a king. And now, one more time, bye. See you in Bled.